Hey everyone, I'm Tithi Sani and today I'm going to talk about one of the most severe complication of the corona, that is mucormycosis. This is also known as the black fungal infection. This is a kind of the fungal infection and its fungus is found everywhere on the earth. So let's see first how this fungus enter into our body. It is transmitted via the two ways. First is that it is transmitted by inhaling the fungal spore through the nose, and secondly it is transmitted directly from the skin, that is by cuts, burns or any other injuries present on your skin. It is transmitted from there. Therefore farmers and the gardeners are more prone to this infection. હવે mucormycosis એ કોઈ new disease નથી. It was already present and it gained a lot attention after the COVID-19. Mucormycosis ના normally 8 to 10 cases જોવા મળે છે per year, but in this year 2020 after monsoon, India records 47 cases of mucormycosis with 50% death rate. That means 100 patient ને અગર mucormycosis થાય છે તો 50 લોકો એમાંથી મરી જશે. Now, what are the risk factors? Risk factors એટલે who can catch this infection rapidly? Firstly, uncontrolled diabetes. જેની diabetes 300 કરતા વધારે રહી છે, they are more prone for this infection. Secondly, HIV patient. Thirdly, those who have the heart or the liver related diseases. Fourthly, who are on the steroids. જે સ્ટીરોઇડ્સ લેતા હોય એ સ્ટીરોઇડ એ લોકોની ઇમ્યુનિટી ઓછી કરી દે છે, અને જે લોકોની ઇમ્યુનિટી ઓછી હોય છે they are more prone for this infection. And main thing is mucormycosis એ લોકોમાં જોવા મળે છે જે લોકોને ઓલરેડી કોરોના થઈ ગયો છે. જે લોકોમાં કોરોના થઈ ગયો છે અને સારું થઈ ગયું છે એ લોકોમાં એઝ અ પોસ્ટ કોમ્પ્લિકેશન mucormycosis જોવા મળે છે. So let's see the correlationship between the mucormycosis and the corona. Firstly, બંનેના risk factors same છે. Because of the uncontrolled diabetes, corona પણ થાય છે અને mucormycosis પણ થાય છે. Secondly, કોરોનાની only treatment steroid છે. તો mucormycosis આપણે risk factors જોઈએ તો steroid અને uncontrolled diabetes બંને prominent risk factors છે. Therefore, the corona patients are being attacked. Symptoms. The symptoms depends on where the fungus is growing. If it is growing in the sinus region, it will cause one-sided facial swelling, headache, sinus congestion, runny nose, blackish or bloody discharge from the nose. If it is growing in the eye, it will cause unilateral swelling of the eye. Unilateral, that means one-sided. If it is growing in the brain, it will cause convulsions and the paralysis. If it is entering through the cuts from the skin, તો એ અલ્સર કરશે અને affected part આખો black થઈ જશે. One thing to note here is this infection is not spreading from person to person. This is non-contagious. And secondly, if you are finding any of this symptom, quickly એનું diagnosis કરાવો and start the treatment. Precautions. Diabetes under control માં રાખો. If તમારી immunity low રહી છે, then wear N95 mask especially because fungus is present everywhere. And wear the full sleeves cloth. If you are taking steroids, the dose of the steroids should be less.